Now we will see the addition operation. ADD is the opcode which is used to do the addition operation. So observe this ADD instruction. Here we have 4 different combinations. 2 operands are required with the arithmetic addition. So one of the operand must be accumulator and it is a destination also. So see here, first combination addition, accumulator with ASN. ASN nothing but 8-bit data, direct data. So you can take any 8-bit data, you can add accumulator content, and after adding the 2 bytes of data, the result will be stored in the accumulator. So direction of the flow is like that: addition of accumulated data plus immediate data, and after adding the data you can store the result in the accumulator only. So in addition operation, one of the operand must be accumulator and destination also accumulator. So remember this. Now we will see the one example. Just here I have taken one example for first combination. Add ADD A comma immediate data 03H hexadecimal 03 is the immediate data. So no need to fetch this data, immediately available in the instruction only. So what is the meaning of ADD A comma #03 means you are adding accumulator content plus immediate data 03, and after adding you are loading that into the accumulator only. So A is equal to A plus 03. So here you can take any data of accumulator. Let us take accumulator is having 06H hexadecimal number 06, then A is equal to 06 plus 03 is equal to 09. So result will be 09, means that is accumulator is having 03 as a result. How to add the hexadecimal means first you have to convert hexadecimal number into binary values. So take one number. Let us see 06 is hexadecimal. 0 means you have to convert 0 hexadecimal into binary 000. 4 zeros will be there, and 6 means 0 110. So this is the ones place, this is the twos place, this is the fours place, this is the 8 place. I think you know the binary values, binary places. It starts from 1 2 4 8 16 32 like that. So take one number and convert into 4 binary numbers. Then 06H means you will get 1 byte like this. 03H means you will get 1 byte like this. Now we have to add this 06H and 03H with the help of add instruction. Now I will show how to add. This is a 06H binary value, this is a 03 hexadecimal binary value. So we have to add bit by bit. 0 plus 1, addition of 0 plus 0 and 1 is 1. Addition of 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1 nothing but 0 1. So what is the binary addition? 1 plus 1 means 0 1. So 0 here, 1 should be carry. So you have to use 1 here. Then again 1 plus 0 1 and plus 1. Here carry is there, so 1 plus 1 nothing but 0 1. 0 here, you have to put 1 here as a carry. Then next 1 here. So 0 plus 0 0, here carry is there 1, so the result is 1. So like this, 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 1, 0 here carry here, 1 plus 0 plus 1 nothing but 1 plus 1, 0 here carry here, 0 plus 0 0 plus 1 carry. So 1 here, remaining all zeros. Like this you can use the binary addition. So here addition is having 4 combinations: accumulator with immediate data, accumulator with register content, accumulator with address, accumulator with indirect addressing mode. So you can use 4 different modes to provide the second operand. First operand must be accumulator, second operand you can utilize any 4 addressing modes. So now we will see the second combination. So see here, ADD A comma R3. So accumulator data must be added with the R3 register data, then result is stored in the accumulator. So let us take R3. R3 is the register, data is 13H. So you have to add accumulator, take this accumulator content 06 and R3 content 13. So you are adding A plus R3, nothing but 06H plus 13H. You will get 19H as a result, that is stored in the accumulator. So this is the second combination. So third combination, here you can take any address. Example ADD A comma some 20H. 20H means address. Hash 20H means immediate data, but without hash means it is address. In that address you will have the content. You have to add that content with the accumulator content, then result is stored in the accumulator. Then fourth combination is ADD A comma at the rate RP. Now we will see how to do this addition. So this is the example I have given, ADD A comma at the rate. Here RP nothing but it may be R0 or R1. So I am taking R1 here at the rate R1. So ADD A comma at the rate, what is R1? Let us take R1 is a 04. So in R1 register we have 04 as a content. So in the place of R1 you write down 04. So at the rate 04 means you are treating this as a address. It is not a data, it is a address. So see here, this is the memory. These are the locations 00, 01, 02, 03, 04. So 5 locations are there, and I have given one number in the fourth location 21H. At the rate 04 means this location you are going to take as a memory location. In that you will have the data. You are going to use this data in the place of at the rate 04. So then A is equal to A content is so here ADD A comma at the rate 04. So in the place of A you can write 06 as a number, and at the rate 04 means the fourth location is having 21H as a data. You have to use that 21H. If you add that you will get 27H. 27H is a result that is stored in the accumulator. So like this you can use indirect addressing mode with the addition operation also. So next arithmetic operations are ADDC, nothing but addition with the carry flag. So same combinations are available. There are same 4 combinations, accumulator with 4 addressing modes, but here you are going to add accumulator content with second operand plus carry flag. So we are using 3 contents to add: accumulator data, second operand data plus carry flag data. So this is called multi-byte addition. So we are adding 2 bytes plus carry flag. So we can call it as a multi-byte addition. Now we will see how to add. So let us take one example, ADDC A comma R1. Now I am adding accumulator content with R1 register content plus carry flag. So here what is the meaning of this instruction is A is equal to A content plus R1 content plus carry flag content. So here A means 06H. I am taking accumulator content is 06 and R1 content is 04. Then carry, now carry flag is 1. Example, carry flag got set. So you can take 1 as a carry flag value. So total 6 plus 4, 10 plus 1, 11. 11 in the hexadecimal is B. 10 means A, 11 means B. So 0BH is the result. So this is the ADDC, addition with carry. So next instruction is subtraction. So here we have SUBB, one single opcode is there, SUBB, subtraction with borrow flag. Here carry flag will work as a borrow flag only. There is no separate borrow flag. Carry flag is going to work as a borrow flag. So same 4 combinations are there, like addition, accumulator with 4 different addressing modes: accumulator with immediate data, accumulator with register, accumulator address, accumulator with indirect address. So you can take any 2 operands and do the binary subtraction. Now we will take one example. 06 is accumulator data, R6 is 05. We have to do the subtraction. So I will show how to do the binary subtraction. So take accumulator content as 06, R6 content as 05, convert into binary, and now we are going to subtract bit by bit. So 0 minus 1, it is not possible, so you have to take borrow from the next bit. Okay, if you take borrow, this current bit will get 2 ones, and from 2 ones you have to subtract one single one. So you will get 1 as a result. So from 2 ones, if you subtract one single one, you will get 1. And this next bit is given borrow, so this 0 will be, this 1 will become 0 because it is given borrow. So 0 minus 0, 0, then 1 minus 1, 0. Like this you will have the result. 0, 6 minus 0, 5, nothing but 1 as a hexadecimal number. So like this you can do the binary subtraction.